How to gift shop items on mobile Discord. So first things first is of course access your Discord application and ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. Log in into your account. For you to be able to access gift shop, all I have to do is to go into the U tab located at the lower right of your screen, and then the shop icon is usually located left side of Nitro. Now once you successfully access it, from here all I have to do is to choose on a specific item that you would like to purchase. For you to be able to successfully purchase it, just simply choose on the specific product and hit on buy bundle. Once you hit on buy bundle, you will be redirected to your preferred payment method. Once successfully paid, all you have to do is to whether get that specific item for yourself or even send it to one of your friends list. That's it. That's how to gift shop items on mobile Discord.